Hello. As you probably know by now, people are spending loads of time watching videos online. That means they're spending more time than ever on popular video sharing websites like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and many others. With large audiences engaging with content they care about, video sites can be a great place to advertise your business. And you don't even need your own videos to do it. Today you'll learn about the various ways you can take advantage of the boom in video sharing to advertise your business. The first step is to define your target audience and identify the types of content they will be most likely to view. Let's assume that you've got a cooking blog, and your readers like websites about cooking at home, TV shows featuring famous chefs and cooking demo videos. Start by looking for video channels featuring content that matches the interests of your readers. YouTube can be a great place to start. These channels have the audience you want to reach, and advertisements on these videos can introduce new people to your food blog. Think about some ways you can pique the interest of cooking video enthusiasts. Do you have similar types of recipes and tips? Do you have your own interviews with celebrity chefs? Once you have some ideas of your audience's interests, you can use the Google Ads program to advertise on YouTube. Other video sites often allow advertising as well. You don't need videos of your own to advertise on these sites. You can use images and text instead. There are even free tools, like Google's Ad Gallery, that will help you create professional-looking banners, for example. Be sure your ad gives viewers a reason to visit your website and that they find something compelling when they visit. You already know that this audience likes visual content, so guide them to pages with stunning photos or your own videos, if you have them. Remember, you want them to keep coming back for more. Let's say you've decided to advertise on YouTube. Once you have your ad ready to go, use an Google Ads account to run your campaign. Within Google Ads, choose the category of people you want to reach on YouTube, such as cooking enthusiasts. When your target audience is watching videos on YouTube, your ad will then appear next to the video, or even within the video itself, depending on the type of ad you choose. As with any online advertising, you'll have to define a budget for your YouTube campaign. Monitor your campaign and optimize based on what you learn. Let's review. There are loads of ways you can promote your business on video sharing sites. You don't have to create your own video content to advertise in places that show mostly video. It's more about reaching an audience who will find your business relevant and engaging. Find out which videos and websites your target audience is interested in and place relevant advertisements on those sites. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.